All right, gentlemen, grab a trash bag and come with me to your closet. Actually, we're going to my closet because even I need to purge my shoe collection from time to time. The deal is you're a man, I'm a man, we are men, which means we should not be wearing some of the shoes that unfortunately a lot of the younger dudes are wearing or we've been wearing for way too long. Today, guys, we're purging, starting with number one, any shoes that are just ugly as fuck. The truth is we all make bad buying decisions from time to time. We may see something, we're like, damn, that's awesome, right? Or we see it on somebody else, we're like, yeah, I kind of dig it, maybe I should rock it. And then you buy it, and then you don't wear it, which brings me to the next pair of shoes that I need to trash, which is these, because I literally have never worn them. It doesn't matter how much you spent on a specific pair of shoes. If you don't wear them, why do you have them in your closet or wardrobe, all right? Something else I gotta talk about, sandals, flip-flops, anything that's showing your toes, gentlemen, you gotta toss them if you're not gonna be foot responsible. Foot responsible means that your toes aren't all effed up and nasty. You gotta make sure if you're exposing those tootsies, your tootsies are straight. My tootsies were not straight when I cheated on Thursday boots and actually bought these, which is the next pair of shoes that you need to toss. And that is anything that is not broken in, even though you thought it was gonna break in. All right, so here's the deal. I was in Austin. I was with my buddies. I wanted a pair of boots. I didn't bring my Thursday, so I was like, yo, there's a boot store. I'm gonna go buy a pair of boots. I was like, yo, they're kind of cool. I put them on. I'm like, yeah, they're not the most comfortable things, but I think I can rock them. 20 minutes later, bleeding. Literally, my ankles were bleeding because of the hard leather. They just weren't comfortable like Thursdays, and I got spoiled, right? Because Thursday boots, you just slip them on, and boom, they're comfortable right off the bat. Another pair that I need to toss are these, all right? These are Chelsea boots. They are black Chelsea boots. Not bad, but the toe, way too pointy. The toe box. See how pointy the toe is on these boots, right? I still have them in my wardrobe in my closet because I haven't purged. I gotta get rid of these because they're not in style anymore. What you're looking for in terms of a boot is something with a more natural toe box. Let me show you. These. All right, this is what you should be looking for. It's not overly dramatic. It's not super pointy, that's out of style. It's not super square, that's out of style. It's not big, it's not bulky, all right? Notice the profile. It does have the lug sole, which makes it a little bit more rugged of a boot, but it's perfect, all right? You can wear these with jeans, you can wear them with chinos, you can wear them with corduroys. They look amazing, all right? These are one of my favorite rugged Chelseas that I own. It's from Thursday Boots, of course, guys. I'm gonna link to them down below if you wanna go check them out. It's a matte black Chelsea, super sick, super sexy. Another one that you guys might love like I do are these, all right? It's got a cap toe, a little more detail by the toe, but still the natural toe box, all right? Nice and clean, perfect proportion. And that's the other thing that I love so much about Thursdays, other than the fact that the price is insane for the quality. Another one of my favorite Chelseas right here. Once again, the toe box. It's nice and natural. Another one of my favorite Chelseas that I own from Thursdays right here. It's a little bit more distressed, but it's super clean, super sexy. You guys are gonna love it. The other thing you're gonna love about Thursdays, guys, is the fact that they're direct to consumer. The reason why they can offer you such a high quality product for the price that they do is that they've cut out the middleman, which means you get a super badass premium boot for an incredible price. Another pair of Thursdays that you guys might want to check out is perfect for fall, all right? It's the Chukka. This one is called the Scout by Thursdays. It is super premium. I love the suede. The suede adds a richness and texture to your outfit that really sets you apart from other dudes. Something else that sets you apart are these. These are so sexy. It's a pair of wingtip lace-up Thursdays, all right? It's got some broguing right there. They are clean, they are perfect, they are sexy. You can throw these on with chinos or jeans and look like the man. But check it out, they also come in black. All right, I love these boots so much. They are so sexy. Guys, hit that link down below. Thursday Boots makes the best boots on the market, and for the price, you literally cannot beat them. They've got boots, they've got jackets, they've got sneakers, they've got anything you need to look super sexy and smooth this fall or winter. Guys, hit the link down below. Thursdays are the best. Boat shoes. If you're an adult dude and you still have a pair of these bad boys in your closet, check it, get rid of them. All right, also those Sperry's, super terrible. So are look at me sneakers. The sneakers that are like, yo, look at me, I'm so cool and flashy. Ow! Something else that's out are Toms. Toms suck. Something else that sucks is dirty sneakers, dirty shoes, dirty anything. Gentlemen, bottom line is this. If you want to and consider yourself stylish, you got to take care of your shit. If your shoelaces are worn out or if they're like gnarled and frayed, get rid of them, change them out. If your shoes are dirty, clean them. If the soles are scuffed, fix them. Gentlemen, bottom line is this. The shoes that you're wearing should be clean, sexy, and presentable. But what's not presentable is hey dudes. I'm just saying. You guys have all seen that like hey dude thing. If you're an adult dude rocking those, you are not stylish. I'm talking zero stylish. Something else that makes you 0% stylish are those like functional, comfortable dress shoes that have like the athletic shoe bottom, but the business upper. Gentlemen, this is like the mullet of shoes. It doesn't work. Cole Haan, I'm looking at you. Johnson Murphy, you suck. Why did you do this? It's like a hybrid shoe that sucks both ways. You can't wear it to the gym. You can't wear it to the office. It just sucks. Dad sneakers, that whole trend, it sucks. The big, bulky monster shoes also suck. If you're a young dude and you want to rock them, fine. The problem with them is that a lot of times they're very expensive and they go out of style. They're actually already out of style, so don't waste your money, all right? Also, don't waste your money on super pricey premium shoes that really aren't that premium, all right? I'm talking about all those like super expensive white minimal leather sneakers like Common Projects, Koyo, stinky shoes. Gentlemen, little boys have stinky feet. They've got stinky shoes. And if you can smell your shoes or if they're at all funky and unfresh, you gotta get rid of them. Don't stick them in the freezer, get new shoes, and then take care of them, all right? Means don't wear them barefoot, all right? Or if you're gonna go barefoot and not do the whole no-show socks, which is what you properly should be rocking, which actually looks like this. Can you see it? Can you see it? No-show sock. Yeah, exactly. Gentlemen, no-show socks, they look like you're not wearing socks, except your feet aren't gonna be sweaty and a messy disaster in your shoe. Or you could also sprinkle a little powder inside your shoe, bang it around to absorb the odor, the wetness, and the bacteria that actually forms if your feet are disgusting. Crocs. Did I mention Crocs yet? A lot of young dudes are rocking Crocs again. Not cool, not stylish. Avoid them. Also, sneakers with everything. All right, and I'm not just talking about like running shoes. I'm talking about like sneakers with everything. Even if you got a sweet ass pair of minimal leather sneakers, it does not work with everything. You are not dressing business casual if you're rocking sneakers. You got to dress it up. You got to elevate it, which brings me to the next thing, and that is dress shoes that do not match your outfit. And what I mean by that is certain dress shoes have certain levels of dressiness. A super shiny shoe typically is going to be a little bit more dressy, the most formal of options. And so you trying to dress it down with a pair of jeans doesn't work as well as something that's a little bit more matte in terms of texture. You also need to make sure if you are going to be rocking dress shoes, guys, that they're not super trendy. All right, the overly pointy or flipped up things or anything that you get from Aldo basically sucks. I'm just saying, like Aldo, I used to love it, like years ago, probably like 15 years ago. I go in an Aldo, they had like super like cool stylish shoes. I went in recently, everything is fake leather. It's like plastic, and the designs are really bad in terms of quality, in terms of construction. It is a cheap shoe. Cheap shoes look cheap, which is the last shoe that you should avoid if you're an adult man, and that is anything that's fake leather or not leather. Because honestly, not leather, fake leather shoes look like fake leather and they look cheap. They also aren't going to last you long. But Alpha, I'm vegan. I know you are because you've already told me that 27 times because every vegan tells you they're vegan. Even if you're vegan, I would basically make an exception for your footwear because the reality is this. Quality footwear, it lasts you longer. Quality footwear works with a lot of different outfits. It also is going to be more comfortable. It's going to be more breathable. It's going to be more endurable. It's going to last you longer. And if you go with a shoe that's not like over the top in terms of a real ornate design or color, that's more subdued, that's a little bit more classic in style and shape, it's going to last you for years. Gentlemen, bottom line is this. Even the best of us need to purge our wardrobe from time to time. Did you see that? Did you see that? Your boy still got it, gentlemen, and hopefully you don't have any of the shoes we went over in today's video. If you dug this video, drop it like it's hot.